Hello everyone, this is Rudrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I will be showing you a simple yet gorgeous guest wedding makeup look. So wedding season is here right now, and we Indians love to do makeups when we are attending any wedding function. So here I am trying to create a look which is simple yet gorgeous, and this will make you stand out in crowd of wedding guests. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm done with my base makeup and eyebrows, so I will jump into the contour thing, and for that I am taking this Color Bar contour which is a bit darker shade than my foundation shade, so it will work it as a contour. So for that I will apply this concealer here, 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 and in my jawline, and with a damp sponge I will blend it out everything properly. So this concealer is very nice in texture, so we will blend it out everything. So I'm done with my contour, so we will move on to blush and highlighter. I'm not applying any loose powder onto my face. I am not liking loose powder thing lately, so I'm not using that. So we will take one pump of this and we will take it using this damp sponge, and we will apply it on our cheeks. So this blush has a nice glow itself, so this is works like a highlighter as well, and this is very easy to blend, like it blends very easily. And this blush gives a very subtle glow which I really love. So yeah, we are done with our blush thing. So for highlighter I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and we will take this on our brush and we will apply it. As weddings are all about lights and glows, so this highlighter is perfect for this type of big occasions. So we will add some here, and we will blend it out, bridge of my nose, and in my pupils area, and here. So now it's time to do our eyes. So for eyes I am using today Morphe 3502 palette. This palette is my all-time favorite. I really love this palette. So firstly we will take this shade right here. We will take it, dust away the excess. We will apply it all over the eyelid area. Okay, so next we will take this shade over here, and we will take this, and as usual we will dust away the excess, and we will apply it on the outer corner of our eyes, and we will apply it throughout the crease and blend everything out. We will also apply it under the lower eyelid area, and we will blend everything out properly. So you can also use any drugstore palette, even Nykaa Winkle palette is amazing. Like they have also some amazing shades on their palette. So the one I have with me, I will link it down below in the info box, so don't forget to check that out. That palette has every shades, kind of every shades. This is huge, but that palette has lesser shades, but that is a very good palette, perfect for any party or any big occasions. After that we will take a small brush, and we'll take this darker shade over here, and we will take some amount, and we will apply it here and blend it out, and we will go also under our lower eyelid area. Tati has recently launched her own beauty products, like her first ever palette. So, and the shades she has introduced is pretty much very nice. I really love the colors she has introduced in one palette, like glitters, some nudes, some really nice shades. I haven't yet tried her, even I haven't yet ordered it as well. I'm just telling what I was thinking. So tell me what you people are thinking about that palette. Let me know in the comment section below. So now we will take a clean brush and we will smooth it out everything, because we don't want any harsh line, right? Now I'm taking this shade from here, and for that I'm using my finger, which is world's best brush, because this gives you nice moisture, nice oil, like, and we will apply it this way. So when we are done with this, we will apply mascara, and for mascara I am using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. So now we are done with our mascara. We will take this shade again. This is a small flat brush, and we will apply it in the inner corners as a highlighter. We will add some false lashes, and we will do it off camera, and I will be right back. So I have my false lashes on. So for lipstick I am using this Nykaa Demi Matte Lip Cream in the shade of On Flick. So I am doing some nude colors on my lips, as I want to focus on this part only. So I think we need a bit more color on lips. So for this I am applying the Sephora lipstick. Shade is not here. So you can go with any pink nudes, but I really love brown nudes. So yeah, this is the perfect shade. So yeah, we are done. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.